What is your digital twin up to? You know, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Netflix and WhatsApp groups, tracking and PayPal. The transparent human, your digital mirror image. Pretty crazy, right? Yet a digital twin can do so much more for all of us. Just imagine, if our strained infrastructure were transparent and predictable and could tell us before we needed to repair it, we could save lots of money and effort and avoid restrictions on our mobility. Just imagine if our bridges had digital twins. Now the smartBRIDGE does. 3.6 kilometers long, 18 meters wide, 36,000 vehicles a day. The smartBRIDGE is a gigantic backbone of Hamburg's economy and mobility network, a high-maintenance backbone. The city is growing, and so is the strain on the aging bridge. Bridge inspectors have a huge task to perform. These men and women put every single meter of the structure to the acid test. Yet conventional inspections and maintenance are about reacting. This tried and tested vital work is now on the brink of a revolution. smartBRIDGE Hamburg. smartBRIDGE combines traditional bridge inspection with data from sensors and BIM that is collected digitally, analyzed and translated into condition indicators. The software creates a virtual model, a second smartBRIDGE, its digital twin. This makes it possible to permanently assess the bridge's condition and simulates all the variables that influence it. The management, operational lifespan and performance capability of the bridge are optimized. The intuitive interface makes the comprehensive data tangible and scalable for all users in real time. The IoT thought through to the end.
smartBRIDGE Hamburg is setting a new standard in predictive maintenance. The smartBRIDGE is going to be our most significant global reference.
smartBRIDGE Hamburg. The future today.